Hello all. In this video, we will be learning the second unit in Advanced Manufacturing System, and the unit title is Agile Manufacturing. So here we are going to learn completely about Agile Manufacturing, and the title which we are going to see today is Agile Manufacturing versus Mass Manufacturing. So in the previous unit, in the previous videos, we learned about Kanban system, we learned about lean implementation, and we also learned about the Lean Six Sigma concept. So these methods are mainly for increasing the quality of the product and also to standardize the products. So we say it as ISO 9001 2000 as the standard. So this is called as lean implementation or the Kanban system. The main motive of these systems were like to eliminate the waste, to increase the workflow. So the first title here is Agile Manufacturing. So, for example, if there is a routine kind of production in a manufacturing unit, for example, if the employer or if the organization is developing 100 products in a month or 1,000 products in a month, that is called as a cycle work. That is a example for mass production or mass manufacturing. For example, when the employees are doing their work, suddenly if there is a client comes to the industry and approaches the industry, and if he is suddenly giving a project of manufacturing around 50,000 products within 1 week or within 10 days, that is called as a sudden client a project. So that kind of project, if I accept or if the employer accepts and complete it, that is called as agile manufacturing. So if there is some kind of project which comes to the industry within a short duration, and if I'm accepting with flexibility and if I'm completing the work, that is called as agile manufacturing. So mass manufacturing means it is a routine kind of work which we will be doing in the industry. So agile manufacturing is the most modern one, and the thing is it is more flexible. The clients and the customers or the clients or even the employees of the organization, they will be in communication, and the complete work will be totally flexible, and it is customization based on the need of the customer. Everything will be designed. That is called as agile manufacturing. For example, if I go to a photo studio and if I take a photo, then it is called as mass manufacturing. But nowadays, if we can make our photo inside the keychain, we can make the photos inside the cup or inside the frames or in the gifts or wherever I want, I can make it customized. So that is an example for mass manufacturing. So in mass, yeah. So in mass manufacturing, fixed automation will be there, robots will be there to develop the products. Speed will be much more in mass manufacturing. So when we compare, mass manufacturing is a stable one and it is predictable inside the market. But agile manufacturing, we can't predict. We don't know what we are going to do, but based on the customer need, the product will be designed and developed. Sudden changes may occur, rapid changes may occur, but the operations will be totally flexible. We won't be having so much of inventory in the case of agile manufacturing because everything we will be getting the information suddenly and we will be going and buying it suddenly. So that is one of the advantage. Inventory cost will not be there. In mass manufacturing, I have to keep all the stocks ready for the production. Agile manufacturing, if we see, it is totally innovative and continuous improvement will be there. So these are the main differences between agile manufacturing and mass manufacturing. So the main empathy need for agile is like we have to be creative, we have to be innovative, Employee involvement is much more in agile manufacturing compared to mass manufacturing, and it is totally innovative, personalized, customized. New products will be developed, new ideas will be generated, and skilled labors are much more needed in agile manufacturing compared to mass manufacturing. So here we have the block diagram, lean versus agile. So here this is a mind map of agile manufacturing. So here we have fast changeovers are there, flexible, it is totally customer oriented, inventory cost is less, but high inventory in mass manufacturing. Skilled, multi-skilled labors are needed in agile manufacturing. So rapid prototyping will also be there. So these are the industrial applications. And nowadays, we are using automobile industries, specifically, for example, Toyota production system is using agile manufacturing systems, and electronic industries, electrical products, manufacturing industries, aerospace industries, textile and garment industries. These places uh, are mainly using the agile and mass manufacturing systems, pharmaceutical industries. So these are the examples. So here we have MCQ question. So which of the following is a key difference between agile manufacturing and mass manufacturing? So the options are given. If you know the answer, comment me below. These are the reference websites which I have used for developing the videos and developing the notes for unit number 2. I hope you would have learned from the video. See you in the next one. Until then, it's a bye bye from Radhika.